This 2018 Forest River Salem Hemisphere GLX 370BL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, smoke detector, oven, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, microwave, external shower, stovetop burner, refrigerator, awning, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, couples coach, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Salem Hemisphere GLX 370BL is 11,524 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.